In this tutorial, I'll show you how to embed a Google Calendar in a Weebly site. Open your browser and go to weebly.com. Then log into your account. From your dashboard, select your website and click Edit Site to open the editor. Before adding it to Weebly, open Google Calendar in a new tab. On the left side, find the calendar you want to use, click the three dots next to it and select Settings and Sharing. Enable Make Available to Public, then scroll down and copy the embed code. Now go back to your Weebly editor. Make sure you're on the Build tab. On the left side, find the embed code element and drag it onto your page where you want the calendar to appear. Click on the element and select Edit Custom HTML. Then paste the Google Calendar embed code into the box. Your calendar will now display directly on your website. When you're done, click Publish to make it live. That's how to embed a Google Calendar in a Weebly site. Thanks for watching.